Hello everyone. Today I will unbox a Google Home Mini that I have purchased today from flipkart.com. Let's see what is inside this box. This is Google Home Mini. It's nice packaging. Looks like very good. It is a smart speaker. Here we can use it as we can ask anything and it will reply my answer. It is mainly use Google Assistant. So you can see, if we ask tell me about my day, wake me up at 7 tomorrow, like this it will reply my question very nicely. So I will open it. Let's see. Its price is here written as 4999, but I purchased it at 4499. So now I will open Google Home Mini and have to know what is present inside the box. Oh, looks nice. It feels very good. Nice texture. Very small in size. And other than this, some quick guides, very basic information. For that we have to install a application on my mobile from Play Store to connect this Google Home. Some information guide, some warranty details. This is power adapter that I have to connect all the time to power it, as this Google Home Mini does not have any kinds of battery inside it. So I have to connect the power adapter all the time to power it. It has one power input area. This is a button. From this we can mute our mic. Other than this, no such thing is present inside the box. So my Google Home Mini is unboxed. So I have to set up now, and I will tell you about all the details in my next video. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like the like button and subscribe my channel and share the video. Thank you so much. Have a good day.